5 bold predictions for the real estate market in 2022. Hey everyone, it's Nick McLean, owner of the Nick McLean Real Estate Group, and here are my 5 bold predictions for the real estate market throughout this year. Number 1, interest rates will rise. And interest rates are predicted from many experts to go up 0.5% to 1%. And my bold prediction is by the end of 2022, interest rates will be nearing 5%. They're currently at 3.5%. That's up from 2.75. So there's going to be a massive increase of interest rates. You've seen it already. The Feds are trying to do it and watching the stock market closely. So see how that affects mortgage rates in the future. Number 2, inventory will rise. In 2021, we saw inventory rise 81%. We're going to see a repeat of that, but to a greater extent. I predict inventory is going to rise 120% this year. So look at the inventory now and double it. So as a homeowner, you're going to have more competition. As a buyer, you're going to have more choices. Bold prediction number 3, it's the year of land. Homes have had their day. It's over for homes. It's time for landowners to capitalize. It's time for land prices to be, land prices are going to go up, and then the landowners are going to sell to extract all of that equity. They've been holding on to land for all these years, and now it's the time is now for landowners. Number 4, builder inventory. The number of new construction on the market will dramatically increase. I predict that you're going to see 2, 3, 4 times as many new construction homes on the market. See, home builders in 2020 and 2021, they got used to just selling instantly. That's not going to happen anymore. So builders' homes are going to go on the market and they're going to sit for 2 weeks, a month, 60 days, and builders are going to start giving incentives. So upgrades, you're going to be able to get your hands on pre-construction earlier and pick out colors and pick out flooring, because previously builders would just put it on the market done. They're going to start putting it on the market before it's done, so you can get in there and lock it in and start picking out some choices. Number 5 bold prediction, forbearance and foreclosures are back. We've seen literally 0 foreclosures, bank-owned properties the last 2 years after COVID. That's changed. They have to come back on the market. So in Washington State, we're going to have for trustee sales are going to happen. Those are going to revert back to the bank, and the bank's going to put these bank-owned properties, distressed properties on the marketplace. Another reason why inventory is going to rise. So that's our 5 bold predictions for the real estate market. If you own a home, you own land, and you want to know what the value is after this massive bull run, before any crash or change, reach out to us. We're going to give you a free, no obligation home value of your home. Plus, we're going to give you tips and tricks on how to maximize the value.